Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix meter probe not connecting, reset, pair, and reconnect tips for meter thermometer. Fix 1. Check the charger battery. For original meter and meter plus, press the black button on the front of the charger. Check the LED indicator. If the light turns on, the charger has power. If there is no light, replace the AAA battery with a fresh one. For meter pro models, remove and reinsert the battery. Look for a green LED light when power is restored. A weak or dead charger battery can prevent the probe from charging and connecting properly. Fix 2. Fully charge the meter probe. How to charge the probe? Place the probe completely inside the charger. Ensure the flat end of the probe touches the charging contact. Leave it charging for at least 2 hours. If the probe has not been used for a long time, allow additional charging time. Fix 3. Clean the probe thoroughly. Remove the probe from the charger. Use a scoring pad or non-abrasive scrubber. Scrub the entire stainless steel surface. Pay special attention to the flat charging and remove all grease, smoke stains, and residue. Wipe the charger contact area with a dry cloth. Dry the probe completely before placing it back in the charger. Fix 4. Restart Bluetooth on your phone. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, turn Bluetooth off, wait 10 seconds, turn Bluetooth back on. On Android, open Settings, tap Bluetooth or connected devices, disable Bluetooth, wait a few seconds, enable Bluetooth again. Now reopen the meter app and check for the probe. Fix 5. Verify Bluetooth and app permissions. The meter app requires Bluetooth access and, on some Android devices, location permissions. Android. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Meter, tap Permissions, enable nearby devices or Bluetooth permissions, enable location permission if requested. iPhone, open Settings, scroll down and tap Meter, allow Bluetooth access, allow local network access if available. Fix 6. Reset the meter device. Meter, Meter Plus, Meter SE, and Meter Pro. Turn off Bluetooth on your phone. Remove the probe from the dock. Remove the battery from the dock. Wait 30 seconds. Reinsert the battery. Confirm the dock LED turns on. Place the probe back into the dock. Wait about 10 seconds. Turn Bluetooth back on. Open the meter app and reconnect. Fix 7. Clear the meter app data. Corrupted app data can stop probes from connecting. Android. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Meter, tap Storage, choose Clear Data, restart the app. iPhone. Open Settings, go to General, tap iPhone Storage, select Meter, delete the app, reinstall it from the App Store, sign in again. Fix 8. Repair the probes. If you use Meter Block, Pro Duo, or Pro Excel, you may need to pair the probes again. Meter Block. Insert the probes into the charger. Turn on the unit. Open settings using the gear icon. Select probe pairing. Wait until check marks appear beside all probes. Meter Pro Duo. Open the Meter app. Go to My Devices. Select your Pro Duo. Tap Device Reset or Reset Meter Pro Duo. Follow the pairing instructions. Meter Pro Excel. Place all probes in the charger, open settings, select probe pairing, wait for all probes to reconnect. This fixes probe to dock communication problems. Fix 9. Check your Wi-Fi network, meter block and Pro XM. If your model uses Wi-Fi, network settings can affect connectivity. Restart your router. Connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network if available. Move the charger closer to the router. Reconnect the device through the meter app. Fix 10. Contact meter support. If your meter probe still won't connect after trying all troubleshooting steps, contact meter support for further assistance. Visit the official support website, Meter Support Center. The link will be mentioned in the description. You can check it there. So, from here you can get the support or you can contact through the contact number. Now, after that, you can click the red live chat button in the bottom right corner for quick troubleshooting help. Have your meter model name and app version ready before starting the chat. If you need immediate assistance, call meter support at 1-888-407-0303, USA and Canada. Support is available daily. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share the video. And please subscribe to the channel.